Deputy Governor of Edo State, Right Honourable Comrade Philip Shaibu, don tok say Obaseki administration dey committed to put health matter for front for the state. He tok dis one for the flag-off ceremony of the second round Maternal, Newborn and Child Health Week wey happen on Monday for Ego local government area, Benin City. E con still chook mouth on top the Maternal, Newborn and Child Health Week package wey involve antenatal care, immunization and nutrition. Con still tok say dis one go help improve the children immune system and con still protect them from yamayama diseases.
It's with great pleasure that I'm here with you to flag off this year's second round Maternal, Newborn and Child Health Week in Edo State. The ministry and the agency have decided to fix this day in line with all the national and international protocols, which we all observe in the state. The Maternal, Newborn, Child Health Week is one of the strategic platforms to deliver significant health intervention for preventing consequences of children morbidity and mortality caused by malnutrition. The National Primary Health Care Development Agency has remained dedicated to provide technical guidance to Edo State in order to shape delivery of comprehensive health intervention aimed to prevent, protect, and promote the life of our children, especially the vulnerable group within the age of 6 to 59 months. The package of the Maternal, Newborn, and Child Health Week intervention involve antenatal care, immunization, and nutrition will be tremendous as it will improve the children's immune system and maintain their vision and growth and survival. In Edo State, our government is fully committed and coordinated to prioritization of our healthcare infrastructure and social development as with the national. We intend to achieve and sustain reduction in child morbidity and mortality due to vitamin A deficiency or malnutrition in every community and local government in Edo State. In line with the above commitment, it is important that caregivers should be well informed so that all eligible children are available for the exercise, both at the health centers and house outreach. I enjoyed here that all of us become advocates for vitamin A supplementation and so join in the fight by ensuring our children participate in deworming and vitamin A supplementation exercise. I commend the Edo State Ministry of Health and Edo State Primary Health Care Development Agency for adequate preparation and implementation for this year's Maternity Newborn Child Health Week exercise. I urge you to give your best knowledge and ability by providing effective leadership and coordination for the campaign to be successful.
Omoshugo Izedome, wey be the Executive Secretary, Edo State Primary Healthcare Development Agency, con tok say the Maternal, Newborn and Child Health Week na to help increase the routine of vitamin A services for the health centers as e go help improve immune system of the children. E con still yarn say Edo State na one of the best performing states on top health matter, con still call other ogbonge pipo make dem join body to help informate the people on nutrition matter.
May I humbly inform the Governor that the Maternal, Newborn and Child Health Week has been put in place to enhance vitamin A services at our PSC centers and to improve the percentage coverage needed to build up our children's immunity against their vision and growth and survival. It is significant to note that this year's Maternal, Newborn and Child Health Week is focused on deworming, the middle upper arm circumference measurement, and to identify malnutrition, the malnutrition status of our children, and administering vitamin A supplementation. And also worthy of note is that our baby does not make vitamin A. It is only gotten through supplementation and nutrition. using vitamin A capsules, 100 international units and 200 international units to ensure that child survival prevents morbidity and mortality while promoting a healthy life and sustainable development of children in our communities and states. Edo State nutritional indicators for under 5 show that severe acute malnutrition is 33%. Overweight is 1.4%, underweight is 10.2%, wasting is 6.6%, stunting 13.6%, growth monitoring and promotion is 20.5%, deworming is 16%, and vitamin A supplementation 16%. Although these figures may look very low, I can assure you that they are one of the best performing in the country. But we can still do a lot to improve them. And at the Primary Healthcare Agency, we're determined to address these trends in nutritional indicators through this year's Maternal, Newborn and Child Health Week. We therefore call on all stakeholders, our traditional rulers, the imam here, the religious leaders here present, the IYEKIs here present, and all the other stakeholders to join us to spread information about the program and to increase full participation to caregivers who will take their children to the primary healthcare centers and make their household accessible to trained workers as they come. Every community leader and caregiver should take advantage of the Mother, Newborn and Child Health Week program to ensure that all eligible children in the community is attended to with nutritional communities.
Sandra Osayeige will be the Director of Admin and General Services, Ego Local Government Area. Christiana Okomina will be the President for Ego Market Association, and Dr. Efemina will be the Monitor and Evaluation Officer, World Health Organization (WHO) for Edo State. Control salutes give the government and say make government continue to dey support health matter for the state.
The survival of children through proper care in early childhood is a necessity for the development of future generations. This is why a lot of resources is being put in place for the care of children, particularly in the area of immunization, which has been considered as one of the greatest public health achievements. This is evident in significant reduction in vaccine-preventable disease rates in our society. We must continuously reflect on these benefits and work together for children and mothers to get immunized as at when due. I want to commend the efforts of mothers and their supporting husbands at ensuring that our children are immunized against killer diseases. I urge every parent to ensure that their children from 0 to 5 years of age are immunized and given vitamin A supplements, including deworming tablets, during this exercise in all the 10 wards in the local government area. I wish to use this medium to thank the federal government, Edo State government, Edo State Primary Healthcare Development Agency, World Health Organization, UNICEF, AFENAT for their foresight and commitment to the cause of improving the health and well-being of our children.
Men I know say to get children it is hard. When you get them ready, may take care of them. When they break, if you get belle, attend the hospital. When they give you medicine, as the medicine they work, the appointment when they give you, go tell them. If the medicine don't work, then go change them. Because we don't want any sickness when you born. All these immunization medicine when they give, because of polio, when they make pikin paralyzed, pikin belle go big, pikin no go waka well, pikin go become dormant. So all these medicine, if you dey use am, all no go happen. So may not try, may not dey attend hospital. When all these immunization people reach your place, not drive them. Give them chance, make them give you the medicine, may you use them well as they like.
The Edo State government, through its agency, is celebrating this Maternal, Newborn and Child Health Week. Like we all know, the Maternal, Newborn and Child Health Week is aimed at improving mothers and their children's access to basic healthcare services. And I'm very glad because this particular year, we did not focus mainly on the children, we also remembered the mothers. So in addition to what we have planned for the children in terms of our vitamin A supplementation that we'll be giving, our deworming, and also measuring and checking their nutritional status, we have made sure that at the facility levels, there are nutritional supplements for the mothers. There are also going to be free family planning commodities available to the mothers at the health facilities. And also, during this period, we also have free ANC services, free testing for HIV services for the mothers at the facilities. So you can see that the government is holistically ready for everybody in this state. So on our part as partners, we will always continue to support whatever activity that the government is doing to make sure that the good people of Edo State are always healthy, and our mothers and children, who are actually the engine room of our society, will continue to live healthy and be well.
Shaibu constitutes the symbolic immunization of children and proper way to wash hands for the flag of Oluwatobi Odeshola. TMC TV News. Make you now remember, say your PVC na your power. No go sell your votes, give any politician or political party on election day.